Doop-a-dee-doo. Hello you guys, this is another video and today we're going to be playing Squarebird. In today's episode we're going to be trying to complete it and I don't know what's going to happen after that because I've never played this game before, so it's going to be very hard. So let's try to get in, I guess. Let's wait for this to load. I don't know how long it's going to take to load this game. Okay, there we go. Or to lay eggs, okay. Look at this, keep on laying eggs. Oh, maybe not. Tap to restart. Start. Boom! Level complete. Next level, babies. Let's go. Come on! Why would they do that? Ah, what's going on? Okay. It's gonna lead me to, yep, I was right. Okay. No, that's the last time that's not the last time I died. But last time I died. Nah. So you guys, let's try again. Let's try on a dish. Let's try. No, we keep on dying. I don't know why. So you guys, we're gonna try again. Tap to restart. I know there's gonna be advert. Yep. Tick throughs. I'm gonna do my hair, put my makeup on. Don't let me down, let me down, let me down. So don't let me down, don't let me down. Okay, let's go. Boom. I got my head. Let's do it again. No! No, that's an advert. No, I'm not jumping. Because I know what's going to happen. Let's go. No, I'm not going to. Okay, let's go. Come on. I've played that game before. I'm not gonna shoot. I'm not gonna shoot. Oh God, no! Why does it always have to happen to me? Boom! Let's do this. Okay, 2 3 eggs. Gluck. Gluck. Oh, we got an orange. An orange. We got orange.
Say my name.
I'm not gonna do it. For a reason. Okay, bonus level. Boom! Let's do this. And bird. I'm getting that. This looks cool. Actually, throw this.
Come on,
Turn the radio on. It's Friday night, and I won't be alone. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. Don't let me down.
So don't let me down. Don't let me down.
Yeah, go, let go.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. It all the time makes you do it with adverts. I'm not doing it. No. I'm not doing it. Let's go. Epic. Let's do this. Bird.
What's up, guys? I'm partnered with Helix Jump. If you guys want to get it, swipe up. My high score is 24,000. If you could beat that, you could be my friend.
Oh, this time I can play that effort. This is cool. What's it doing it? Boom. Done it. No. It's gonna lead me to Play Store. Boom. Let's go. Later. Do this. No! What happens to me? Always happens. Okay, let's try again. Let's go. Let's do this. I love Squarebird now. I think I'll do a part 2 to this, you guys. If you want a part 2 to this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn notifications on. Comment down my videos. And after this, we'll see you next time. Peace out.